seeking assistance with business management homework, if you're a student in need of assistance, and encountering challenges, AssignmentHelp is here for you. Our team of experts is ready to help you understand intricate business and management principles. AssignmentHelp, 100% free homework helper. Here is the way to start with. Just visit on AssignmentHelp website and initiate your query by clicking on the tab. Let's have problem based on partnership in business. The first step is inserting your question into the main body section, as shown. You can also scan and add image of your question using Insert tab. Further, add relevant keywords or tags to address your question more effectively. Now add user details to proceed further. Or you can also use your existing account for request and initiate your query by clicking on the tab. Here you can see your initiated problem. Following a span of 5 to 10 minutes, our team of experts has successfully provided a solution for your query. The deadline for significant assignments is approaching rapidly. Boost your grades with 100% genuine academic support. Place your request for personalized assignment writing services through live chat now. And hire online writers for your personal assignments for any and every subject including math, computer science, business management, writing, finance, accounting, and over 500 different subjects. Begin excelling in your homework right away. AssignmentHelp, 100% free homework helper.